I'm talking about podcast. I'm talking about TV. I'm talking about radio. Wow, Sweet Guluva been trending, man. Been doing so much. On Monday he was on that show, brother. I don't know, interviewing them or what. And then Tuesday and Wednesday he was on Machi. And then which one? Also I forgot. But he's been doing so much, man. There's difference between people that are gonna vote for you to be their leader, and there's someone that has been chosen. It's either you are chosen by God or you are chosen by your people, So I don't know what's going on with Guluva, Sweet Guluva. He's been doing interview after interview after interview. Oh my goodness. When he's going to rest? But I hope today, because today is Friday, I think it was the last interview he was doing it. But obvious, I'm just guessing, because he has done it to the other radio and TV. Like, wow. They've done it the winners, the previous winners, but I never seen them like doing so many interviews like he's doing it. Wow, this guy is blessed, man. Yeah, man, today, like, Sweet Guluva was all over. You open the radio, he went to Gaga's FM, he went to Cozy FM, he went to a TV, newsroom TV. So, yeah, it's been happening, man. Today it was happening for him. But yeah, man, let's keep on supporting him and let's hope for the best. And yeah, man, on the 5th of next month, yeah, it's gonna be crazy, man. It's going down, in KZN. If you're in Gauteng, you better pack your bag and go to Engutu. You go back. We're going to Engutu, Baba. Dango.